After you go get those free stocks, you can come over to an app like this, family. This is called Metal Pay. So you can trade crypto, you can buy crypto. So let me just show you how this works. All right.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?
Hey, peace family, what's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. If you don't know, I do talk about business credit, but today is for my make money online people, and I'm piggybacking off of my last video that was telling you how to get free stocks and take advantage of the stock market. So really what I wanted to segue into is, so you can do a couple things. You can get these stocks and then hold on to them. Hopefully they go up for more. Or you can get them and use that free money to invest into the digital currency. So, you know, I think it is moving to that age. But let me tell you this. One real quick shout out to the brothers JB, Smart Passive Income with JB, who actually dropped the video speaking on this. And I'm actually linked this brother video up here. So if you not familiar with his channel, which you probably are, you should definitely go check him out. He has a very detailed perspective about how he looks at things and how he's been able to be successful online. And guess what? He's sharing it with us so it can help us move forward. So definitely check that man out. He's doing some dope things. But let's get into this real quick. What I actually wanted to show you is after you actually go back and after you go back and look at those stocks, let me screen record my phone real quick. After you go get those free stocks, you can come over to an app like this, family. This is called Metal Pay. So you can trade crypto, you can buy crypto. So let me just show you how this works. All right. So if you go here, because I only got $8.02, right? And I cashed out like $7 or $14 or so, like $12 or something. So I really should have more, honestly. But I haven't really been promoting this app that heavy, but it might be something we should consider more. I'm gonna tell you why it's dope. Hold on, give me a minute. So all right, you can see here my referral bonus, 0.2446 of Meta, which was worth equivalent to about $6 at that time. Now at the time, in order to cash out, you have to have about $7 worth of something to cash out. So you had to at least get 2 of something or refer somebody else, or just hold on to it, wait for it to go up like this one has done. So send more invites, you know, so it'll tell you when you refer a friend, join Metal Pay via referral link and your promo code, you both get a free gift. So similar to those apps where you're sharing it and both get a free stock, on here you'll get free metal. Yes, metal is not Bitcoin, but let me share something with you. This is the day and age where we're going to be moving towards digital currency for privacy and other reasons. And really, the Federal Reserve notes or the fiat currency, it's backed by nothing. There's no money no more. It's not backed by gold. You know what I mean? If you like the information, please make sure to share, like, subscribe. Just to get into this, you know, look, you can get Ripple, you can get Bitcoin, and you can get Wave, Zcash, and some Nano, and some of these other things, right? But it automatically, when you sign up, you get $6 of metal. Say what? So you can cash this out, family. I mean, they take a little piece, a little small percentage, but you can cash out this $8, you know? And so, for instance, if I wanted to, boom, go here, I can sell it, buy it, deposit, withdraw it, right? And so boom, so I could do that, right? But check this out. Say we both have crypto and I want to shoot you some money or some currency. I don't want to shoot you no Federal Reserve notes. Maybe I want to shoot you some Bitcoin. Let me go over here to send money. You got to have your contacts in here. All right, so I might blur some of this out, but this my home girl right here, right? I literally can come in here and choose what form of currency I want to send. All right, if we both have this app, and this money you can actually convert into your bank account. So if you're interested in moving towards the at least being able to have access to the Bitcoins and to the Ripples and stuff like that, MetalPay is a platform that makes it simple from your phone, and when you download it, you'll actually get, I believe, $6 worth of metal if it has not changed. Okay, I will drop an updated video if that has changed, but get in on the game. All right, I said it before, I say it again. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The next best time is today. So there will be a link below if you want to get MetalPay. And check this out. All you have to do is promote it and talk to people. Like let me be real. Let me be honest and be clear about this stuff that I do and I promote. Let me be firmly clear on this. A lot of these links are referral links. Some of these links are affiliate links. It's valuable information. So you can either, there's gonna be some people that take it and see the value and say, let me get to work and start sharing, right? Sharing it with everybody, sharing it every day. And this, if you have a lot of time on your hands, because it is valuable. There's gonna be people that are not gonna take advantage of the information. That's perfectly fine. If you're still here, then download it, because obviously you're interested, okay? For those who are not, I understand. You need to find you something that you are into. Create something for yourself to refer people to or be affiliate of, or just create your own service or product, or figure out how to do this YouTube thing. There's ways to make money online. There's ways to add to your income. There's ways to invest in yourself. So with that being said, download MetalPay, go get those free stocks with Doe, Robinhood, and Webull, and get free money. All right, it's free money, especially for the younger people or people who may be struggling, who may not have a good job or may have a lot of time on their hands and they just got a phone. You get started with this for free. All right, you're too smart to be broke. Peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.